This 2017 Jayco Jay Flight 29 BHDB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features a tan, neutral interior, sleeps 10, DVD player, skylight, oven, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, self-contained, refrigerator, and 86-gallon fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Jayco Jay Flight 29 BHDB is 7,616 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.